Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Buick Encore. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Encore's sleek styling, efficiency, power, and nimble handling makes navigating your world fun and luxurious. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Be connected, be efficient. Have fun in an SUV that gives you that bring it on feeling. Drive the Encore.